प्यार
मेरे
हुआ,
जीवन सर।
इकरार हुआ, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ. So now it was this प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ is another hit song. But we created प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ. So it had its own melody. इस राही को तरदारा छोड़िए चलिया जाए कहाँ. That's another song.
माना दिल तो है अनाड़ी।
बोल राधा बोल संगम होगा कि नहीं. फिर वहां से इट वाज द ओरिजिनल, हर जन्म में that was a, like that's a completely different
The,
lyrics, and it was the original lyrics.
I
But
remember
all the other parts were basically hit mukhras of the superstar songs. It was very difficult to compose these things.
Well, it's a good time to have both the Merchant brothers with me, Salim and Suleiman. So, मांगी दुआएं, इस कोविड के टाइम में एंड लॉकडाउन के टाइम में दुआएं से ही हम सबकी जिंदगी चल रही है. सो प्लीज टेल मी, हाउ डिड यू कोलैबोरेट एंड हाउ डिड द सॉन्ग come about?
Suleiman, you want to say?
you can start.
So basically ये गाना जो था वो जब ये लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ तो सुलेमान और हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि क्या करें. मतलब एक हफ्ता गया, 2 हफ्ते गए, 3 हफ्ते का लॉकडाउन था. तो पहले तो हम थोड़ा बहुत रियाज प्रैक्टिस, थोड़ा फैमिली के साथ रिलैक्स करके चिल कर रहे थे, डूइंग कैचिंग अप ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स ये वो. और कुछ अधूरी चीजें रह गई थी, जैसे कि हमारा एल्बम हम भूमि 2020 करके एक एल्बम हम ले आ रहे हैं इस साल दिवाली के वक्त. वी वर थिंकिंग ऑफ डूइंग this is a very important album actually, which we'll talk about it later. And so we decided to mix this album, and we devised a really beautiful way of remotely working. Like Suleiman and me were in our own homes, our engineer Aftab was in his own home, and Raj, our co-worker, was in his own home. And there's a software called Audio Movers, जिससे आप सब कंप्यूटर्स अपने अपने घरों से कंप्यूटर्स लॉक्ड हो जाते हैं, एंड यू कैन एक्चुअली लिसन टू द साउंड इन क्रिस्टल क्लियर प्रिस्टीन साउंड. सो इस तरह से हम लोग ने एल्बम मिक्स किया, और ये पूरा एल्बम मतलब हम रिमोटली जब मिक्स किए तो देन वी गॉट दैट पैशन ऑफ वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम इवन मोर. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि व्हाई नॉट वी स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन सम कॉम्पोजिशंस. तो ये जो गाना था मांगी दुआएं, वो हमारे पास हमने 2014 में इसका सिर्फ मुखड़ा बनाया था, अधूरा था ये गाना, इट वाजंट कंप्लीट.
Okay.
And we decided to reopen some of our compositions and sort of visit some compositions of ours. So we started working on it, and the song was something else. It was called तुझसे शुरू तुझ पे खत्म जिंदगी. It was called that. तो मैंने सोचा ये बहुत लंबा फ्रेज है, why don't we make something something shorter. और बस इसी तरह से मांगी दुआएं तू फिर आए. ये जब हमने ये मुखड़ा जब लिखा गया तो आई फेल्ट लाइक दिस सॉन्ग हैज समथिंग, इट हैज अ प्रेयर काइंड ऑफ अ फील आल्सो, बट येट इट्स अ लव सॉन्ग. और हमने देखा कि जब भी हम कुछ लव सॉन्ग बनाते हैं जिसमें एक इबादत की बात होती है ना, it always becomes a लंबी रेस का घोड़ा. It becomes a timeless song, चाहे वो रब ने बना दी जोड़ी हो, चाहे वो शुक्राना अल्लाह हो. So yeah, I mean, it gave us the हिम्मत मिल गई हमें ये गाना बनाने के बाद, and we decided that this song should also be the opening of our new record label.
Wow. And Suleiman, I mean, lockdown, you both have been actually very creative, and you have been creating music. So what has it been like working in lockdown with the artists? And like also for this particular song, you got Faizu and you've got Ruhi together. So what was that process like?
So for us, the process has been pretty much similar. खाली इतना फर्क है कि we are not sitting together. Usually Salim and me and Raj and Aftab and the whole team, we all sit together in our studio and create music. But we've all distanced ourselves, but we are still connected because we speak almost 3-4 times, 5 times a day. Or we are doing Zoom calls, we are doing WhatsApp video calls, we are doing all sorts of formats to stay in touch. और जब हम म्यूजिक बनाते हैं तो We are collaborating on files. कभी मैं सलीम को भेज देता हूँ, कभी सलीम मुझे भेज देता है, and we are working remotely. It's beautiful. But video banana is another task altogether. Or we had to take a lot of permissions and a lot of safety precautions क्योंकि COVID अभी भी है यहाँ पर मुंबई में, and we had to make sure that everybody was safe. In fact, we had to take permissions from the organization that controls the shooting and everything. We had to take municipal permissions, we had to take local police permissions. और उसी के बाद जाके हमने सब लोग मास्क में थे except the actors. Everybody else was in masks and PPE and everybody was, it was quite a thing. In fact, हम लोग shoot पे नहीं गए थे. We had a video assist camera which was connected to Zoom.
Wow.
और हम Zoom पे देख रहे थे पूरा shoot. So we had to go through that lens.
New normal. This is going to be
I don't know if this is going to be the new normal, but we found a sense of normalcy within the chaos. At least we are trying to find it.
Which is so true. And music anyways is something that actually helps you keep sane. That's what they say in these times. Listening to music keeps your sanity and it affects your mental health in a good way. But what is it like collaborating together? You know, जब family होती है, you know, what is it like? Arguments होती हैं. What is it like between you two brothers?
I mean, it's just between any two partners, you know, there is always a discussion. There's always, you know, I think, Pooja, that music is about people. I always feel that, you know, जब एक आदमी म्यूजिक बनाता है, एक से बढ़कर है दो, दो से बढ़कर है तीन, और जब लोगों की एनर्जीज, you know, मिल जाती है, जुड़ जाती है, it becomes much better. I think, you know, when people's hearts meet, and because we are brothers, we've studied music together, we've grown up together, you know, we complement very well with each other because I kind of handle the melodic side and Sulaiman handles the rhythmic side. We do bleed into each other's territories, but at the same time, you know, there is a nice kind of a division of what we both do. And so there is a beautiful kind of synergy. It's been 28 years now. We've been making music together. And it just feels like it's been a couple of years.
But who's the tougher one to deal with amongst the two of you? होता है ना, एक perfectionist होता है, एक होता है, it's like, it's okay.
ऐसे कुछ नहीं, we both have that same thing for achieving perfection. Sometimes we are messy, as boys are always messy. And उसके बाद हम खुद ही बैठ के clean up कर लेते हैं क्योंकि ये music का मामला है, we don't have a choice. So we do a lot of, if you see our projects, like you can see Salim's screen in the back, it's a messy screen, and then finally पूरा घूम फिर के it finally gets into a very clean, nice, साफ सुथरा so. But yeah, it is how it is. Music के मामले में सब ऐसे ही होता है हमारा.
And there are lots of tracks, as you can see.
Yes, and we are very curious to know that. So, but you know, your journey has been amazing, chart-busting numbers and compositions. Then and now, what is the one change do you see for the better and for the worst?
I don't see anything for the worse. I only see everything. We always see the glass half full rather than half empty. Sure, the music scene has changed in the film industry, but change is the only constant. We don't complain about anything. I think it's a great time for non-film music to rise. I think it's a great time for, you know, for artists who are not, you know, constantly working in movies and, you know, doing singing songs for films to rise, because there's an audience for that. There are platforms for that. Today, if a song releases, whether it's a Hollywood film trailer, whether it's a Bollywood film trailer, whether it's a simple song of a little young boy or a young girl from a home or a massive artist in India or America, they all release on the same platform, you know, whether it's YouTube, it's Apple Music, it's Spotify, all these kind of platforms are digital platforms and everybody has access to it. So that's the power of technology. That's the power of today you being, you know, connecting with the audience. The world is a very small place. So these are very interesting times. It really depends on your song, your content, your ability to connect with the audience. How well do you do it? And, you know, how beautifully you reflect your art form with your personality. So it's a great time. It's really a great time. And speaking about, the film scene, it is kind of going through some rough waters, when it comes to remakes. It comes to, there's a lot of people have not liked that thing. के चलो ठीक है शुरुआत हुई remakes की गानों की चलता गया. It's just continuous now. It's going. It's non-stop. Like it's not stopping.
True,
So,
true, true.
people at a point now have given up this stuff. Like, I mean, they want to move on with it.
Which is so
Um,
true.
so even the films have started rethinking about their music now. They are kind of bleeding into the independent space. The independent indie artists who are making non-film music are started doing film songs. So it's a thin fine line now, which is a beautiful way of community creators. It's great.
Actually,
But
I
what?
don't even think there's a thin fine line because
Yeah,
आज अगर हम देखें तो when we release music, it is all a matter of playlist.
yeah,
आपका गाना फ्राइडे को रिलीज होता है and it goes into a Friday playlist. And that playlist it could have Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, English, all sorts of languages, all forms of music. Everything goes into one playlist. And then you decide after that as a listener कि आपको क्या गाना पसंद है, and you take it and put it into your own playlist. And that is what is happening to music. आज ऐसे नहीं है कि Bollywood has a little more of an edge or independent music has more of an edge. It's a level playing field at the moment. And whatever music you can come out with, music is the king. The melody is the king, and if you make an interesting song that lasts forever, it will last forever.
True. But you've also had your own share of struggles. It's like your rise, your success has also come striving to achieve that success. You've also struggled to succeed. What is the one change you want to see
I
in the
don't
film
think we
industry?
have. I want to just correct the question. We haven't really struggled, honestly. I mean, God has been very kind, and we have been really blessed with, you
The share
know,
of struggles in the sense projects may have not come, gone when you've been signed on. वो होता है.
of course, yes, of
Of
course,
course.
yes.
This
Yeah,
is what I meant. And
yeah.
it takes a lot when you are signed on for something and then you said, "Nahi." Any human being, that rejection does not feel nice, and it's a struggle to again prove that you lost out.
Actually, no, Pooja. I mean, it's a great, of course, it's a very human thing to feel the rejection and all that. But actually, these things give us a lot of strength and power because fortunately, our शुरुआत हमारी इतनी कमाल की हुई है that we started, on a great wicket. We got great movies like Chak De and, like Kurban and Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi and Band Baja
Taste
Barat and
and
Passion.
everything. Yeah, cocktail.
So many films that we said, like, it was a great start. See, at that time the movies were also fantastic. Like, the stories were good. Like, Chak De was a brilliant film. Kurban was such a beautiful love story. It didn't do very well in box office, but still it had a really
Keep
decent.
listening to the songs.
Yeah. So we were like, and now at this stage when, we are, let's say we're working on a movie and a film director comes and says, sorry, yaar, my producer is saying, my record label is saying that we want multiple composers. So we would say, like, sorry, don't worry, you go. We won't do this multiple composer thing. हम लोग कभी और काम कर लेंगे. We'll do some other project together. So we are at a very great state. Our state of mind is in a very relaxed
That's
way.
awesome, and that's so important. That's
Yeah,
important.
like I said, we've always seen the glass half full rather than half empty, and it empowers us to do different things. It's also logic that खुदा ऊपर वाला जब एक दरवाजा बंद करता है पांच और खोलता है. So we were doing
I
so
so
many
agree with that.
concerts,
But
doing
what's your take on the multiple composers? वो एक ज़माने में होता था. Everyone had their composers. There was Shankar Jaikishan doing Raj Kapoor Saab's movie. There was R.D. Burman, Sachin Dar doing Shakti Samanta's film. आजकल तो मालूम नहीं पूरा झुंड आ जाता है एक साथ. What's your take as musicians and composers?
See, it makes the composer feel that he is not capable of producing 5 big songs in a movie, right? Because that's what it implies.
Yeah.
At least it implies to us. And we have been backing out of those projects since the last 3 or 4 years or 5 years.
more 5, 6 years. Yeah.
5, 6 years. We've been backing out of those kind of projects where somebody says कि यार एक गाना मेरा item number आएगा और मेरा एक remake आएगा और so I say we don't want to do that, really, quite honestly. And that was what actually prompted us to start our own record label. So Merchant Records, this is the first, Mangi Duaein is the first release of Merchant Records.
Awesome.
And,
Congratulations.
Thank you. And we will continue to make music with independent artists, with all artists actually. And it's something that we felt that this was the right way to forward our journey into music, because we needed a label where we could actually control what we want to release rather than be controlled as to what we want to release.
And also to empower new talent.
Absolutely. And not just singers. We are absolutely open to working with so many more composers, giving them an opportunity. We are very open to working with different lyricists, camera teams, and, all kinds of creative people who are really worthy and have something to change and something to say to the audience and make a difference in the form of art.
And that's exactly what a lot of your colleagues have also been protesting. They want change. And this is something that, be the change you want to be.
Just be the change. Yeah. Instead of complaining, just be the change. Try to do something which is positive and going in a different direction, which empowers people. Yeah.
So which is the one change you want to see in the music industry in our country?
One thing
I think
I want many, but anyway, Sulaiman, after.
I don't think whatever changes we want to see will happen so quickly. And so we are being the change.
But I mean, the change as in...
Let me put it down in points. First of all, I'm hoping that, the independent music scene gets so empowered that, the film music really, really values the creative process of music, which is outside the film industry, and start realizing that this remakes is just like not worthy of being there in the अच्छे गाने 80s or 90s के without any purpose just come into a film like that doesn't make any sense at all to the story. There's no connection, there's no nothing. That has to happen. If there's a purpose, it's a different thing. Let's say you have a character of a Bappida in the film, I'm just saying, and then you're using one of his songs, it makes sense. अगर तुम दिल्ली 6 के बाद दिल्ली 8 बना रहे हो and you're using Masak Ali in it, it makes sense. There is a continuation of a story from where Abhishek Bachchan and Sonam Kapoor left. It's fine. There can be. So the remake is the first thing. Second thing is this whole hierarchy of, working with artists who are only signed with a label. That really blocks creative people. Like, let's say if I'm a singer and I have a great voice and a lot of people are working with me, a lot of composers are working with me, but finally it bottles down to that one record label. And we all know which one we are talking about. There are two of them. And that record label says, sorry, you can't work with this singer because he's not signed to my label. That really, really stops good voices to be heard by people. You will continually hear the same voices. We have 130 crore ki abadi, 1.3 billion people in our country. There are some amazing singers, but they are not given a chance because of this bottleneck. The bottleneck is about the label's control. They control the voices. This has to stop. So I'm hoping that with all, these are just the two. There are many more, but I don't want to, just rant about it.
I'm sure. And anyways, एक बात बताओ. I know इतना collaborations, इतने compositions किए हैं. सबसे मुश्किल आप दोनों के लिए कौन सा था?
Actually,
yeah, okay.
I think we did a song called "हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते." If you remember.
Oh, yeah.
Salim, you remember? It took us almost 15 days.
I remember I remember it like a movie. Like, I can say every day what happened. Yeah.
Yeah. So it was supposed to be a tribute to the retro artists, and we had to take songs from the yesteryears and make them feel like it's not part of it's an original composition which also has lyrics as part of the old composition. It was very tough because कुछ 10-15 गाने एक साथ में थे वो, and it was a long song. It was a 7.5 minute song.
Wow.
Very difficult to recreate the old melodies into new melodies. And you should check it out. You'll know what we are talking about. It was quite a...
There were 7 tributes. It started with Raj Kapoor Sahab. It went to Devanand Sahab. It went to Shammi ji. It went to Rajesh Khanna ji. And, and it came to Rishi ji. So it was just like a long, and all the big hits of Raj Kapoor Sahab, of Devanand ji, of Shammi Kapoor Sahab, and they all the lyrics of those sections of those antras were all the super hit songs of, like what was this thing? What? Pyar
Mere
hua,
Jeevan Sar.
इकरार हुआ, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ. So now it was this प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ is another hit song, but we created प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ. So it had its own melody. इस राही को तरदारा छोड़िए चलिया जाए कहाँ. That's another song.
माना दिल तो है अनाड़ी.
बोल राधा बोल संगम होगा कि नहीं. फिर वहां से it was the original. हर जन्म में that was that's a completely different lyrics, and it was the original lyrics. But all the other parts were basically hit mukhras of the superstar songs. It was very difficult to compose these things.
I am sure. And I think it was at the IFAs also.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, of course. Wonderful speaking to you both. Thank you so much. And what can we expect soon after this? Bhumi.
Bhumi will come a little later in the year. We are hoping that COVID sort of settles a little bit, and maybe Diwali celebrations ke aspas we are thinking of releasing Bhumi. But we have 4 more new singles of Merchant Records released very shortly. The next one coming literally in 10 days.
Awesome. More power to you. And as they say, the show must go on. We need people like you to help the show go on. And more success to you. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thanks.